Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We don't like to waste nobody time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we'll be touching bases on AMC Entertainment. That's ticker symbol AMC. So let's go ahead and check it out, y'all. It's been a pretty solid day for AMC. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all that off top. We had I love the way AMC traded today. That made me even more bullish on it. So go ahead and let y'all guys know off rip. We bullish on AMC. You want to be accumulating your shares. Just like I told y'all what happened to me with Snapchat. Had the opportunity to buy at $5.50. We got AMC at $5.50. That's exactly. This is our stock. We just making up for that Snapchat that I told y'all. If y'all ain't checked that video out, 22-year-old day trading, my story, whatever it's called, you'll see it. Check that out. So anyways, let's talk about AMC though. AMC, we need to start accumulating more shares. This is not financial advice. I'm not y'all financial advisor. I got to say that. That's a disclaimer. So, but AMC, I loaded up on AMC today, guys. I got some more shares. I bought some in 2 accounts because of the way it traded today. So let's look at it. Let's look more into it. We closed at $10.38. Very crucial point. We opened at $10.28. We closed at $10.38. We closed above where we opened at. Just right around, like we opened and closed right around the same price. That's very good. And also check this. We got a crucial support level and a nice resistance. It's adding up. It's looking perfect. The chart is looking very perfect, y'all. So this is going to be a nice play for us. Everybody already should be up double their position. We been in since $5.50, way before everybody else started talking about it. So let's go ahead and see. We opened at $10.28. The high was $10.76. The low was $10.09. The 52-week high was $20.36. The 52-week low was $191. So another thing I want to bring to y'all attention before we look at the chart is you see how the media is trying to push us away from AMC. They saying like, is AMC, GameStop going to zero? This, that, and third. Trying to put that out there to get, you know, the small people to sell their shares so the big boys can get out get out the way because they in trouble. I'm pretty sure they shorted in AMC. AMC had crashed all the way down to the $2 range. And at $5, nobody still thought it wasn't a buy. When it had ran up to 20, came back down to 5, nobody didn't think it was a buy again. Now it done ran from 5 all the way up to 14, back down to 10, back down to 8. I had called it 8 to pull back to 8. Now we trading back at 10, consolidating very, very well in the $10 range. We looking good, baby. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the news, they saying the AMC executives sell large amounts of stock. They trying to put that in the news, letting you know executives just sold a big position of their shares that to try to make you sell your shares. So check this out. They also, we ain't gonna talk no more about the news. Let's go ahead and straight into the chart. Y'all get the point. They trying to get y'all to sell y'all shares. So when they trying to get you to sell, that's what, you know, in my mind, get me to hold mines even longer. So let's see though. If we look on the chart, we fell down the low. Keep in mind, the low was 10.09 today. On my chart, I got my support right here at 10.04. We got a nice support around $10.04. We can do the 10s. Basically, nice support right here in the low 10s. It's holding strong. If we break these low 10s, if we break $10, this thing could possibly fall back to that $9.85 that I told y'all about. And if it break below $9.85, we're going straight to the low 9s, $9.01, $9.02. And then we shouldn't see no more pullback from there. But you always want to be prepared. You always want to be prepared with this thing. But most definitely, people is going to be eating up the dips. So if you see the 8s again, which I'm not anticipating because on today, how well we held up today. But the stock market, I told y'all the stock market, we know it's rigged up a little bit. We know somebody really pressing a button, making this thing go red to green. If y'all notice, not trying to scare y'all away, but y'all just got to learn how to play the game. If you notice, when the stock market red, why is all the stocks falling? Every last single one of them, almost all of them, like everything in your portfolio really be red. And then when stuff go green, when the stock market pull back, everything green, your whole portfolio lit up. they hit a button, red button, green button. But anyways, let's get back into it though, y'all. We just got to learn their ways, learn their tricks, and beat them at their own game. I'm putting y'all on game. Y'all already know this world. I ain't gonna go too much in that, cause as the channel grow, they might try to get our voice out of here. But we gonna, talk our talk anyway. So let's go ahead and see our resistance, y'all. We got a nice resistance at $10.68. 1068. This thing break through 1068, and keep in mind, let's go back what we hit today. We hit 1076 today. We broke through resistance. Key point, we broke through resistance at 1068, went to 1076, came back down, pulled all the way back, and then rose back up around 1066 and closed around 1038. So in the morning, if not pre-market, if we not seeing this nice spike up, because they is holding AMC back, they holding it down. The stock market, they know when a lot of small people about to win, they gonna try to do anything in their power to not let us win. I'm telling you, they don't want the small people to win. They want to keep the rich rich, keep the poor poor. So let's get on it. Let's get on this, y'all. Let's most definitely be sizing in on our position. AMC is most definitely going to be a good little flip, a good flip. You already should be doubled up in your position, so you can always put a stop loss right at $8. And even if this thing pull back to $8, $7.90, we still up. We still made a profit. So, but we want to try to ride this thing a little longer, because this thing can most definitely push up big. We want to see how it do when it push up to that 14, it break through that 14, go retest that $20 range. And if we retest that 20, this thing could fly if it break through 20. So we're going to keep y'all updated. If we have to boost our price target up, right now our price target is $15, but we might have to boost it up. We'll keep y'all updated and see how the price action do. So that's all I really got for y'all this video. For anyone wondering when should they get in on this, if you're new to AMC, a good buy-in price, this is not financial advice, good buy-in price will be around the low $10. You want to buy around the low 10s, 1001, 1005, and if it break 10, you want to just start with a small position, and then buy more if this thing pull all the way back to $9.01. Then if you see the 8s, you want to save your last firepower, your last little bit of money to put in on that if it hit the 8s, and then you want to ride this baby all the way up to $15, $16 a share. Sell half of your position, 75% of your position, and then let the rest of your shares ride for free. So that's all I got for y'all this video. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. Y'all like these type of updates, these type of predictions, all that good stuff, consider joining the family. We drop this type of stuff every single day. It's the B Hayes Show. We out, y'all. Love y'all.